So, all right, so we've got a couple of power supplies here to give you a bit of an indication. This is one of our power supplies. Okay, so this is a dimmable, and this is a dimmable constant voltage driver. This is perfect for LED strip. This cannot operate on that downlight. Okay, so when we look at that, it's a constant voltage LED driver. We have another one here. Now this is a larger one. It's the same thing though, right? It is a constant voltage LED driver. This is a 60 watt. Now, I've got this one out specifically for a reason. Okay, this is a non-dimmable driver, by the way. This one is a dimmable driver. This is non-dimmable. Okay, so we have dimmable and we have non-dimmable drivers. One thing I want to make very, very clear, and I come across this issue regularly. There's two outputs out of this one driver. Okay, these are never to be put together. Okay, because what this driver will do is if I've got two bits of LED strip, one that way and one that way, it'll balance out the load and it'll provide a constant voltage of 12 volts here and here, and it'll work out that this one's only got 1 meter of LED strip, this one's got 2 meters of LED strip. Okay, these are never to go together because this will become electrically noisy, this will eventually fail, and that could actually damage any kind of control equipment that you've got attached to it. Keep these separate. If you're only using one, put your connectors on those two to keep them safe. Connect this one to your LED strip. You will get the full capacity of this out of one leg. If I've got two LED strips, I'll get the full capacity, but it'll be spread over the two. I don't miss out by only using one. But the two are there, so I can have two separate and I can balance the load out so that if I've got two bits of strip coming off here, I'm not cooking one because the other one's longer and taking more voltage. I can split them over the two. All right, so just remember that if your power supply ever has more than one output, it's only got one input, but if it ever has more than one output, never put them together, keep them separate. Okay, because it will fail and it has a good chance of actually damaging anything that you've got attached, any of the control equipment or even the LED strip at some point. All right, so we've gone through where you would use them, constant current and constant voltage.